Hello children. In this video we learnt about cooking utensils, mealtime hygiene and food during illness. Cooking utensils. Utensils means the vessel used to cook our food. Okay. Utensils are in different shapes and sizes. We use specific utensils for each cooking method. Children, now only we learnt about the cooking methods: boiling, steaming, pressure cooking, roasting and frying. For each method, we are using different vessels. For boiling wheat and dal, we use pressure cooker and used tawa for dosa. Okay children, next, clay pots were used earlier. In old times, clay pots were used by our stores. Nowadays also it becomes fashion and healthy to use the clay pots. Next point, stainless steel and aluminum vessels are now generally used for cooking. Children, you can see the picture given below. Cooking in clay pot. Clay pots are well suited for all types of cooking. Cooking in clay pots improves the quality and taste of food and also retains the nutrients. The natural insulation properties of clay cause heat and moisture to balance and circulate throughout the pot and keep the nutrients unharmed and prevent the dish from burning. Children, the natural insulation means ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கிற ஹீட்டை வெளியே அனுப்பாமல் வெளியே இருக்கிற மாய்ஸ்சரை உள்ளே அப்சர்வ் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கிறது தான் இன்சுலேஷன் clay cause heat and moisture to balance the circulate throughout the pot. Okay children, keep the nutrients unharmed and prevent the dish from burning. It will improve the taste of the food. Next, benefits of cooking in clay pot. Children, now only I told if we are using clay pots, it is very good for our health. Let us see what are the benefits in clay pot one by one. Okay children, first point, easy to digest. When we are cooking the food in the clay pots, the food gets that digest very easily. Next point, preserves the nutrients. It preserves the nutrient, that is the micronutrients or macronutrients, whatever may be. Preserve the nutrients in the food. Okay children, next point, needs less oil for cooking and adds flavor to the dish. It gives the some extra flavors, taste and smell, adds flavor to the dish. Keeps the food warm for a long time because the clay pots are too heavy. So it keeps the heat for a long time. Next point, keeps the food from becoming stale soon. Stale means keeping good taste and avoiding from the damage. Keep the food from becoming stale soon. And another last point, alkaline property in the pot neutralizes the acidic property in the food. These are the benefits of the clay pots cooking. Next topic, mealtime hygiene. Mealtime hygiene includes ways to make sure that we do not get sick because of the way we eat or make food. Students, we should not get illness because of our taking food and way of cooking. To avoid that, should follow some methods. Okay, now let us see what are the methods we should follow. Some of the hygienic ways of taking food are given below. First point, always cover food to protect them from dust and insects. If you are not covering the food, the insects will come and taste the food and it make it as a poison or it may cause some disease. So, if you are not covering the food and the dust also come and sit on the food, it will spoil the taste also. So, avoid all these. We should always cover the food and we should protect them from the insects also. Next, eat fresh food always. Some of them may like the old foods, but it is not good for health. Always prefer to eat the fresh food. And another point, avoid taking food that is too cold or too hot because too cold items may spoil your teeth. Some of the too hot items may spoil your digestion system. So, avoid these two. We should take the normal cold and normal hot foods alone. Okay, children? Next point, avoid fast food and fried food. Nowadays, children may like the fast food and deep fried food, isn't it? These are not good for our health. So, we should try to avoid them. Always wash your hands with soap before and after eating. It is a very advisable one because it will avoid many diseases causing. Okay, children? Nowadays, it is a very advisable one. Always wash your hands with soap before and after eating. Okay, children? Next topic, food during illness. When we are not feeling well, during the time of stomach upset, we can't take all the normal food items. We should avoid the deep fry oily food items. And we can take energy giving and easily digestible foods. Now let us see about them. When we are sick, we should avoid food items that are fried in oil. For example, puri, chapati, parota. We should avoid these kind of food. We are not feeling well. Okay. Next point, we should take energy giving, easily digestible food. Okay, children. Some of them are given below. Let us see the examples. Porridge of rice or cereals. Next, fruit juice and tender coconut. And next, steamed food like idli. This will make our stomach comfortable and we will recover very easily. Children, again I am saying what are the food items to be taken during illness. Porridge of rice or cereals, fruit juice and tender coconut, and steamed food like idli. Thank you, students.